you're experiencing controller drift on your Xbox Series X, don't worry. This guide will walk you through the steps to troubleshoot and potentially fix the issue. Step 1. Identify the drift. Begin by testing your controller to confirm that drift is occurring. Open a game or the Xbox menu and observe if the character or cursor moves without any input. This will help you determine the severity of the drift. Step 2. Clean the controller. Power off your controller and use a can of compressed air to blow out any dust or debris around the analog sticks. You can also use a cotton swab lightly dampened with isopropyl alcohol to clean around the base of the sticks, ensuring no residue is left behind. Step 3. Update the controller. Connect your controller to the Xbox Series X using a USB cable. Go to the Settings menu, select Devices and Connections, then Accessories. Check for any available updates for your controller and install them. This can sometimes resolve drift issues. Step 4. Adjust dead zone settings. In some games, you can adjust the dead zone settings for the analog sticks. Go to the game settings and look for controller options. Increase the dead zone to see if it reduces the drift effect. This is a temporary fix but can help in the meantime. Step 5. Consider repair or replacement. If the drift persists after cleaning and updating, it may be a hardware issue. Check if your controller is still under warranty for a possible replacement. If not, consider seeking professional repair services or purchasing a new controller. By following these steps, you should be able to address the controller drift issue. If problems continue, reaching out to Xbox support may provide additional solutions.